Okay, hello everyone. So today we're on Unit 6, and it's understanding what we call technical SAP wage types. And so when you understand a wage type, it is all of the results that we looked at previously in the results table. Some of them are actually entered by the user. You hire someone within their compensation information, you enter base pay, or you enter an hourly rate of pay, or you have deductions, or you have other things like that. Those are entered on an employee. But in order to make the calculations happen where we have the entered amount, and then ultimately you get a gross payment, you get net payment, you determine the taxation. There are a lot of wage types that happen in the course of the calculation. And so SAP delivers these and you don't change them. So as a customer, you don't go in and change how these work. They work the same in every SAP payroll system. And so we want to go in and do that. And so I've created this list here, but what SAP has essentially done is categorize their wage type. So the first thing you'll notice is any technical SAP wage type starts with forward slash. So they're SAP delivered and begin with a forward slash, and they store intermediate and final payroll results. They're not typically directly entered on any info types. Instead, they're used